do this. Genocide Jano.
Yeah. I got it. I'm gonna slaughter this beat. Wake up, motherfucker. Yeah. Rifle. Stifle. Yeah. What? Yo. I got the word from God that I was the hardest nigga alive. Then I fired God. Nigga, I fire squad. I'm like the firing squad that kills it hard. Kill these niggas up on the motherfucking broad. Put their motherfucking head until these bitches give me head or motherfucking blowjob. What difference does it make? It's only a life to take, so I keep taking. But not my best friend Nathan. I keep raping, killing these niggas over the table and burn their fucking head till it looks like the sparks flying out from a cable. Y'all niggas is garbage, what you talking about? I'm walking around, slaughter the speed, put the motherfucking rocket Gibraltar on the speed, cause it's gonna be water on the speed. I'm killing niggas with the speed. You better motherfucking take heed, wake up show. I'ma catch you while you sleeping, wake up show. Get it nigga? You motherfucking breathing? I run up on your fucking body and put it with more fucking holes than John Gotti did. I split your way faster, like the John Body Holmes, or John Body Holmes, or John Gotti Holmes. I kill niggas so fast that they couldn't hear the shells from the shotgun blast. Exit out the motherfucking fossils. Now I put the motherfucking Ruger barrel to your tonsils. I ain't scared, I don't fear nobody. That's why I had to motherfucking kill Gotti. Put him in jail to serve a life sentence. He's dead anyway. Just pop a motherfucking...
Oh shit.
Right, let's listen to that one.